Welcome back to my channel. A female farmer was beaten to death during a robbery at her home in Newport, Manchester yesterday evening. She has been identified as 54-year-old Lorna Lake of Blenheim. Her 59-year-old common-law husband, who was also beaten by the intruder, survives the ordeal. The police said about 6:30 p.m. they were at home when a man entered their one-bedroom dwelling and demanded money. They were then tied up and beaten. The physical assault continued outside. The intruder took Miss Lake to another section of the property, while her common-law husband, who had pretended to be dead, returned to the house and called the police. Her body was later found lying face down about 200 meters from the house. It had a wound to the head. The police said Miss Lake's cell phone was stolen. The police have not yet disclosed whether the man was armed with a weapon. Thanks for watching.